As an actor, I'm always looking for resources that's going to make me sharper and just more resourceful. And today I want to share 3 resources that I think you must have in your actor's toolkit. The first one is Rodney Saulsberry's Tongue Twisters and Vocal Warm-Ups. This book is amazing. I highly recommend you use the tongue twisters in it, but use it with a cork in your mouth while you're saying the tongue twister. And do it for about 10 to 15 minutes every day, especially if you have a lazy tongue. It's going to make your speaking cleaner and crisper, and it's going to help you be able to deliver those difficult lines or difficult words. They're going to come out smoother and more easy. This is really an excellent book. The second one is Auditions, the Actors Thesaurus. What I love about this book is that it is filled with action words. And I am old school. I was taught by Roy London, who taught me how to break the scripts in beats. And for those of you who have no idea what beats are, because you're probably looking at me and going, what is she talking about? Well, beats are thoughts that create transitions in the script. As you're breaking down your script, you're breaking it down beat by beat. And within those beats, you're putting action words that you want to do. So let's say the line is, Henry, why don't you like me? Then I would figure out what action word fits with that to give me a strong performance. So maybe I would go with being romantic. So my action word for that would be to disarm the actor. And I would go, Henry, why don't you like me? Now, if after I do it, I feel like it's not strong enough, then I might use another action word. Maybe this time I would use the action word shock. So I would go, Henry, why don't you like me? I'm looking for that action word that's going to make that dialogue come out strong and swinging. That's why I like this book a lot. It helps me expand my action word vocabulary, and at the same time, it really encourages me to go deeper as an actor. So the next book is called Actioning. This one is the action book on steroids, because not only does this one give you action words, it also gives you physical actions that you could take. So example, this one, the line is, you do it so well. Well, my action might be to compliment the person. So then I would go, you do it so well. And the physicality might be to embrace them or to touch their hand or to give them a treat. So not only am I complimenting them, but I'm giving them something. Or I could use that same line, you do it so well. I could use it to berate them. You do it so well. And then I could snatch something out of their hand. That's another acting choice. This is a great book to, again, help you go deeper. I'm not saying use these books so that you don't do your work, but use these books so that they make your work even that much better. I love putting new things in my actor's toolbox. So let me know in the comments what you think about these books, or maybe you have other resources that you'd like to share with me. And check out this next video for more acting tips. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get the videos immediately when they come out.